Hey guys, wanted to give you a quick update on what's going on at the ranch. I am super excited to report that we have windows. Today we had our double doors installed here at the front door, and you can see that there are windows throughout, so we actually have some natural light. And since the last time that we updated, all of the classrooms have been framed in as well. So this is our front reception area. And I'll take you on a quick tour. This is our kitchen and teacher workroom and break room area. And down this long hallway, we have our 5 main classrooms, our kitchen and bar, snack bar, our dramatic play classroom, and all of the rooms have a window so we can see into them without opening the doors. This is our art room and game room. It's huge, and you can see that all of these classrooms are full of drywall as well. We're anticipating that that will go up tomorrow. This is our library. And down this hallway, we have our music and theater room, activity room, and finally, our science and math room. Here we are on the front porch. The new doors are installed, and they have started the stucco on the outside, and the roof is completely finished. So, very exciting. So, it's really coming together. We're super excited, and hopefully, we'll have some more updates soon. Can't wait to see the drywall up.